As the end of our favorite telenovela, Umkhuba the Case, is getting closer, drama also intensifies. So on this video, I want to share with you guys things that we can expect on the show this week. But before going to the video, I need to first request you to like it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. So on the Monday episode, it looks like Maximba's plans are coming together after she told the church ladies that Gabisile must be removed on her place as Virgin's leader. Her wishes came true on the Monday episode because Gabisile was removed for her position on the group. Then we were introduced to Ntombi's firstborn son, Uzibulo. Meanwhile, Spuso's crush on Sibahle intensifies, and it looks like he is willing to take action about it this time around because teasers tell us that Spuso reportedly flirts with Sibahle in front of an elder, which could be Undlovu or Umazungu. And that takes us to the Tuesday episode 237. Hey, I can't believe that we're only left with 23 episodes before the show comes to an end. So, on this episode, Lwazi has a big decision to make, but Gabisile makes his life harder than it already is. Meanwhile, Sibahle lets Ndlovu know that he better get used to the new norm. Then, the Wednesday episode 238, titled Your Life for Yours. So on this episode, Mabusi is faced with a dilemma after her great uncle shows up sick but armed with information that could solve a problem that plagued them for decades. And on the other end, Mazungu gets concerned when she realizes that Sibusiso and Sibahle are getting serious, and teasers tell us that Mazungu questions Sibusiso's intentions with Sibahle. Now the Thursday episode, Lwazi finally gets us out of that boring storyline of his and Gabisile. So the episode is titled I'm Getting Married to My Baby Mom, and on the episode, Lwazi decides to do the right thing and make an honest woman out of Gabisile. Spamandla decides to heal Mam Zobe's arch enemy. Sibusiso is in love and makes a bold move, which takes us now to the Friday episode, which is episode 240, which means that we're only 20 episodes away from the end of Umkhuba the Case. And the title of this episode is Icala Lembulingo Bolingene. And on this episode, a deep hidden secret threatened to wreak havoc in the Mtiani household. And I think Sfocea gets to find out that Maximba forced Lwazi to lie about impregnating Gabisile. Meanwhile, a young healer struggles with her assignment, and fighting siblings are forced to make stock of their relationship. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what we can expect on this upcoming week on Umkhuba the Case. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.